Here's the continuation of the voiceover script, but what really gets me excited about this monitor is its overall value proposition. It's not just a fancy gadget, but a tool that can genuinely improve your workflow, gaming experience, or entertainment. With its massive 49-inch display and incredible specs, the 5K monitor's Edge 49 is an absolute game-changer for anyone looking to upgrade their setup. Now, let's dive deeper into some of the other amazing features that set this monitor apart. For example, the 5K monitor's Edge 49 boasts a whopping 3840 by 2160 resolution, which means you'll get crystal-clear visuals with every frame. And with HDR support, you can expect even more vibrant colors and contrast. It's like having a mini cinema in your home office or gaming den. But what about the color accuracy? Well, I'm happy to report that this monitor uses 99% Adobe RGB coverage, which means you'll get incredibly accurate colors for graphic design, photo editing, or any other creative task. Plus, with support for P3 and Rec. 2020 color spaces, you can rest assured that your visuals will look stunning on this monitor. Now, let's talk about some of the more technical specs that might interest power users. The monitor features a 1 millisecond MPRT response time, which is incredibly fast and perfect for gaming or video editing. And with its 165 Hz refresh rate, you'll get silky smooth motion that's sure to impress even the most discerning gamer. But it's not all about speed. This monitor also boasts some impressive features when it comes to connectivity. You get 3 HDMI ports, 2 DisplayPort 1.4a ports, and an MHL port for connecting your phone or tablet. And with USB-C on board, you can charge your devices while working or gaming. Another feature that's worth mentioning is the monitor's built-in speakers. Now, I know what you're thinking. Built-in speakers? That sounds like a bad idea. But trust me, these aren't just any ordinary speakers. They use Dolby Atmos technology to deliver crystal-clear audio with impressive depth and detail. And with clear, balanced sound that's perfect for gaming, videos, or music, you'll be amazed at how much more immersive your experience becomes. But what really sets the 5K monitor's Edge 49 apart from other monitors on the market is its ability to adapt to different types of content. With its built-in AI-powered software, this monitor can automatically adjust brightness, color, and contrast to give you the best viewing experience possible, whether it's gaming, watching movies, or working on a graphic design project. And speaking of graphics, I should mention that the monitor supports NVIDIA G-Sync technology, which means you'll get seamless performance even in the most demanding games. Plus, with HDR10 support, you can expect even more vibrant colors and contrast. It's like having a mini movie theater in your home office or gaming den. Now, let's talk about some of the potential drawbacks to consider. For example, this monitor is quite large and may not be suitable for smaller spaces. Additionally, the stand is adjustable, but it can be a bit tricky to set up, especially if you're not familiar with ergonomic monitor stands. However, in my opinion, these are minor quibbles compared to the many benefits that this monitor offers. And at its price point, I think it's an absolute steal. You get an incredible 49-inch display, built-in speakers, and all sorts of advanced features that will make your life easier and more enjoyable. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to check out this amazing monitor for yourself and start experiencing the power of ultra-wide curved immersion today. With its massive 49-inch display and incredible specs, the 5K monitor's Edge 49 is an absolute game-changer for anyone looking to upgrade their setup.